Good morning, Internet. I would like to show you quickly. That is what my scope reading is. At the moment, I've got the pancake coil resonating through one transistor, and the scope lead is the yellow trace on the scope there. Then the output from the transformer, from the transistor, goes directly to this bottle. I've got a bottle here, empty bottle, and it's filled with crystals. Right to the, well, not right to the top, but almost to the top. At the moment, with the input signal there, and my probe is at the top of this coil around the bottle, and that is the blue trace. Now, I'm going to fill it up with water. What did I do now? Let me just get the... That's the signal is back. I'm going to fill it up with water. And then you can watch the scope to see what happens. I'm starting to pour the water in. And that is the bottle full to the rim. And you can see how the signal has changed from start to finish as I poured the water in. So the bottle filled with crystals does basically nothing. I can also fill the bottle with just pure water and it basically does nothing. But if I put the crystals in and then add the water, I've got a much higher resonant type signal every time that I get the ping effect from the transistor. I thank you for watching and see you next time.